Your Android not charging? Try these 4 quick and easy fixes. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, you want to check if your charger is fully plugged in. It might not be fully plugged in by something blocking it, or your case might be in the way. So try removing your case and then fully inserting your charger. If this doesn't work, you might be seeing this problem due to dirty charging port. Dust and dirt can collect over time, and it can coat the receptors inside the charging port and stop your charger from working. Go ahead and clean your charging port using cotton swab or toothpick. Don't use anything metal, as you can scratch it. Make sure the charger is clean as well, and now try charging your phone. If it still doesn't work, try using different charging cord, USB adapter, or wall outlet, as your phone might not be charging due to your charging cord, adapter, or problem in the wall outlet. If this still doesn't work, reboot your device. Long press on your power button and then click on power off. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. If it still doesn't work, then your Android device might be damaged. Contact your device manufacturer to help you solve this problem. So this is how to fix Android not charging. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.